My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called PrO. This is a ransomware that may encrypt and damage the files. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files without any troubles. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this PrO ransomware may be easily injected into the system. So very soon users may realize, especially after they restart their computers, that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money without getting the data restored. This is the ransom note, by the way. It's titled How to Decrypt Files. So the files have been given this PrO extension and it is not possible to use them. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser. Other browsers may be damaged by this ransomware too. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. So then the scanning will begin. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations on the computer. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to protect the data from further ransomware attacks and to remove this ransomware, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Certain threats can be removed manually, but my recommendation is that you consider upgrading to premium license, which is a much better solution to keep your data always protected from further ransomware attacks. And you can always request for the trial, of course. So consider premium version, which will help you to remove this ransomware and to protect your files. Please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.